Assalamualaikum friend, today we create here a prime number created in Microsoft Excel with using VBA coding. So let me say here is the program. Here we enter to check. This is a not a prime number, reset and enter the other name 51. This is not a prime number. Here type is a 5, check. This is a prime number, reset. Here is a Google website where is a mention 1 to 100 total numbers, where some are the prime, some are not prime, and some is a prime and is a reason. Here we check our program is work is accurately, yes or no. Is it 97? Here is a mention is a prime number, is a check. This is a prime number, it is okay. And there is a another number. Here is a mention 51 is a prime number. Let's check 51, check, equal to, it is a not a prime number, is a prime number. Here is a mention, this is a not a prime number, either whether it is a 4 factor, this is a not a prime number. Okay, so let's we go and see what is behind the programming coding. Close and press window R. Here is the type Excel already. I press OK. My programming is under process and soon start. Excel workbook 1 is open. We have two options to go to Visual VBA. First of all, press Alt F11 and go to here the sheet 1, insert, press user form, enhance as per me requirement. First of all, we type here, we insert here one label, two text box and 3 command button. Alt A and select all button, text box and label, and go to font, press here 3 dot, bold 11 and change the font style and size. OK. Increase label size and type here is a go to caption and change type here, please check number whether it is prime or no. Go to command here, type check, other, reset and exit. First press as a form 1, caption prime number checker. Increase size, now we go to coding. First of all, press exit, unload me from user form 1, unload me user form 1 show and go to check here is it, this is a work or no. This is the main button, check, go double click here. Here we draw initiate two variable dim as integer, number as long, I as long, initiate divisor equal to 0 and number equal to text box 1 value. Here we assign number user form text box 1 value equal to number. Here we is initiate for loop for I equal to 1 to number, and here start if condition. If number equal to number mod I to 0, then divisor equal to +1. It is a condition to check this number is a prime or no. If return 0, then initiate. Now we can end here a if condition, and if, and close here next loop for loop. Another condition is start if divisor equal to 2, then text box 2 dot value equal to number. Is a very simple code. 3 space is a prime number. Copy this line, Control C copy, else, and if. Our program is accurate work. The next line is a this is not a prime number. Let's start and check our program is work or no. To check, this is a prime number. Reset. Another temp is 1. Okay, this is no program. Reset and exit 100% working. Okay, let's close and go to this workbook. When we start our program, Excel sheet is now open, user form open. Let's start with his application dot visible equal to false. User form 1 dot show, and go to save button. Desktop, save as type change, and Excel micro enabled workbook. Okay, his image type is prime, so number checker. Save, close file. Here is a number checker. Double press. Where you say, here you see that prime number checker. When we open this file is closed and user form is open. Here we easily start, run and check our program. 24, check, this is not a prime number. Reset. Another temp 60, 100% working. Reset. A text size is long, we can enter long digit without any difficulty. This is not a prime number. In last, I request to you, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your family and friends, and keep it up. Thanks for watching.